Hey boys and girls, I'm here with one of our baby chicks to read you an Easter story today. Today I have Max's Chocolate Chicken. I thought the chick might like to listen to us read this story. He's going to sit on my lap while I read. Max's Chocolate Chicken. One morning, somebody put a chocolate chicken in a bird bath. "I love you," said Max. "Wait, Max," said Max's sister Ruby. "First we go on an egg hunt. If you find the most eggs, then you get the chocolate chicken. And if I find the most eggs, then I get the chocolate chicken," said Ruby. Ooh, he's enjoying the story. Can you hear him? Max went looking for eggs, but all he found was a mud puddle. Ruby found a big yellow egg. Max didn't find any. "No eggs, no chicken, Max," said Ruby. Max went looking again, but all he found were acorns. Ruby found a blue egg. "Max," said Ruby, "pull yourself together, otherwise you'll never get the chocolate chicken." So Max went looking with Ruby. Ruby found a red egg with green stars. Max found a spoon. Ruby found a gold egg with purple stars and a turquoise egg with silver swirls and a lavender egg with orange polka dots. Max found some ants. Ooh, he's getting kind of wild here. Then he made an ant and acorn pancakes. "Max," said Ruby, "you'd have trouble finding your own ears if they weren't attached to your head." Ruby counted her eggs. "I'm the one who's going to get the chocolate chicken, Max," said Ruby. But Max ran away and hid. The bird bath was empty. "Where are you, Max?" Ruby called. Max ate the chicken's tail. "I see you, Max," said Ruby. But she didn't. Max ate the chicken's head. "I'll give you half the chocolate chicken, Max," yelled Ruby. Max ate the wings. Ooh, he's really liking the story. Then he popped out of his hiding place. "Max," said Ruby, "how could you do this to me?" "I love you," said Max. Oh, I was going to try to show you. He's hanging out right on the computer, being awfully noisy. Oh, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed that Easter story. Our chick is pretty cute. Have a great day.